Hey guys, it is Cece. I am C My Curls, and as you see, we got another try-on haul. You guys loved the last try-on haul, so I was like, I need to bring one back. So go ahead and make sure that you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and leave a comment because we got to talk about these Stallion jeans. So go ahead and leave the comment down below. If any of y'all have ordered them already, if y'all want to order these Stallion jeans, go ahead and leave the comment Hot Girl Meg because I love Hot Girl Meg. If you don't love Hot Girl Meg, get off this video because we are not going to trash her. But I do have thoughts. So let's get into this video. Alright, so this first outfit, I love. I wore it yesterday. Usually the outfits that I want to wear first are like usually like my favorites, but this is a nice lounge set. It is sweater material. They have different colors, but I wanted the all black because black is swimming and I knew I wanted mine a little baggy. So I didn't want to like get a baggy size and then like get tan or red and it just look extra round. Thick girl problems, okay? You want to wear things that make you look as slimming as possible. So I got a 2X, and I'm not gonna lie, the 2X is actually pretty big. The pants are for sure big on me. I have them tied, but they're for sure big on me. Like they're not fitted at all. Like we got room in here to grow, which we will not, because I refuse. But these are definitely, I low-key ordered this for Thanksgiving because I was like, this is like the perfect eating outfit. There's plenty of room in it, and I kind of like that it's baggy though. But if I do order another one, I'll probably get the 1X. But I like that it's baggy just because sometimes you don't want to show your body all the time. Like this is going to be definitely something I pick up if I'm on my period. And I just want to be nice and snuggy and just be in a ball all day. This is perfect. And it's also just really cute. And it's super warm. It was freezing yesterday. It was so warm. So here's the side. And I'll show y'all the back. I ain't got no butt though, so y'all just don't have to deal with that. I got a little booty. Little booties matter too. Because listen, I know I'm not the only person who got a little booty. And we need to see how things fit as well, okay? So yeah, this is the first outfit. Let's get into the next one. Y'all. I was so mad that we can't celebrate Christmas with families this year or go to a company Christmas party because this dress is cute, guys. Oh my god, I look good. But yeah, this is the next outfit. I only got 3 outfits. This is a real short video, but this is the next outfit. It's taupe. I love this color. The model sold it to me. And I love sweater dresses. This is a 2X. I think it fits perfectly because like I said, I have tummy. So I don't like things to be super clingy because I just feel uncomfortable. And this is so perfect for me because I'm able to also show off my figure while still being in my comfort zone, you know? Because it's like, it's really hard when you go out your comfort zone, but you don't want to take pictures because you're not comfortable. You feel me? So that's why I'm just like, this is perfect. It's so perfect. I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. I tried this one on as soon as it got here too, because this is probably, I was excited for all of these, but I really wanted this dress. Like this dress was waiting in my wish list. Man, this is a take you home to meet the parents kind of dress too. Like this braid. If I met somebody's parents like this, they'll be like, you better keep her. You need to keep her. This is cute. Look at the bag. Little booties matter. We out here or whatever. And yeah. Okay. So basically I love this though. Like this is a love. I love the way the sleeves just like kind of fall. It's so pretty. So last outfit is the Stallion jeans. And then a t-shirt that I bought just to try this on with and just because I like t-shirts. So let's go do that. Alright guys, so last but not least, we got the Megan jeans. First, let's just go over the t-shirt. It's a plain gray t-shirt. I like baggy t-shirts. It covers my butt. If you work with kids or if you just work in a all girls, just cover your butt at work, honestly. Guys are creeps. I've had a lot of weird HR instances when I was working. So yeah, cover your butt. I love this. It's chill. It's gonna go with leggings. Let's get into the jeans. So, I just want you guys to see the design first before I tell you guys my opinion. It has the kind of gathered leg, and then it's also split in the back. And they are flare jeans. It has the gathered stitching right here. Even though I think the stitching is better on this leg than this leg. But it has the gathered look. And then got the front, you got the knees, and then they are high-waisted. So you got the high waist. If you are one of those girls who like to wear high-waisted jeans and a little crop top, do you, boo? But here's the thing. I have on heels right now. So Megan wasn't playing when she said these jeans are tall girl friendly. And you know, I'm not short. I'm 5'7". I'm obviously not as tall as Meg. I believe Meg is like 5'10". So I'm obviously not like tall. But I'm tall. I'm not a short girl. I'm not a short girl. I have the same high waters problems as everybody else. Like, I just want to make that clear. I'm 5'7". And the fact that even with heels on, because I showed these to my family this morning, even with heels on, these still drag. So now I'm about to show you how it looks like without heels, because I'm sorry, Megan. I'm not serving looks every day. My ankles is not built for this. So, yeah. That's the bummer about these jeans. I probably, just because I really like their design and I want to be able to get more wear out of them and not just be confined to freaking heels, I'm probably going to either hem them myself or find somebody who can hem them and take up the pants leg. Hopefully it won't ruin the design. And then my other complaint, but first, just look at this. Look, like, my toe is right here. So that's at least like 2 inches, if not 3 inches. That's a lot of fabric off of my foot. Like, they was not playing when they said tall girls. And then it's not fair because you know all the models on Fashion Nova are probably also tall. So it's just like, y'all got me. But the jeans are really cute, and then my other complaint is that this side is cuter than this side. I feel like this side doesn't gather the same way. But besides me being nitpicky, those are my 2 cons because the jeans are cute as heck. Like, and first of all, I just want to say thank you that she included plus sizes and that she also used good plus size models. I didn't really shop Cardi's, when Cardi had her Fashion Nova line, I didn't really shop it, but I felt as though there wasn't as much as a plus size crossover, and I could be completely wrong. But I just appreciate that Megan made sure that she had the plus size girls modeling this stuff as much as the skinnier ones, because the jeans fit great. Outside of them being too long, they fit great. They're loose. They're even loosening up on me, but they still fit nice and tight. I'm not pulling them up all the time. They fit perfectly. I got a size 18. I wear a size 18 in Fashion Nova and a size 16 in Pretty Little Things and pants. So that is your reference, but they fit great. They just too long. They're too long, Meg. And I know you was trying to look out for the tall girls because I know like I have a friend named Shade, and I know she probably is laughing at me if she saw this because she'll be like, now you know how I feel when I put on high waters all the time. She's at least like 5'11". So I understand this was for taller people because they need their shine. Like, tall people have as many struggles as short people do, and you know it's in between girls. So honestly, I still say the jeans are fire, but the length, baby. It's the length for me. I'm probably just gonna throw on some boots though so that I can still wear these today because they're really cute. Like, they give me like middle school flashback because I haven't worn flare jeans in forever. So I love the look. I love the vibe she was going for. I will say these were really the only jeans that I was attracted to. I'm not saying the other jeans weren't cute, like the pattern, I don't know, like the patched ones with the different color patched jeans and the matching jacket. That was cute as heck. That's just not my style. So this was the only really pair of jeans that I could fit that matched my style. There was other stuff that I wanted to get, but I'm shopping within the budget. I am unemployed, so I have to make smart decisions when I spend my coins. But I wanted to at least review something from the Meg Thee Stallion line because I feel like you guys might want to see it. I know there's been some opinions. Some people think it wasn't really meant for this time of year. I get that, and then I don't get it. Some people think it's a little too Houston for them. Well, she's from Houston. What did you expect? But I'm just happy for her. I think she's had an amazing year. I think the devil really tried her, and she's just shining. Like, she's just like, no, y'all not gonna kill my glow. The devil really tried her this year, and I'm happy to be a fan of her because you can see the light in her outside of the twerking, outside of all the sexiness. You can see that there's a real genuine person in there, and I love that about her. And I love her music, and I love her body. So if you guys like this try on haul, please go watch my other ones. I have a Forever 21 one up. I have a Pretty Little Things one up. I think this is my first Fashion Nova. I got Shein haul. Shein haul's lit. This is my first Fashion Nova one on the channel, but obviously it's not my first time shopping with Fashion Nova. I just tend not to always shop at Fashion Nova because the sizing is trash. But I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure you have subscribed. Go ahead and leave a comment. Tell me how you guys think about the jeans. Like I said, I think the jeans are cute as heck. It's just the length, baby. And I will catch you guys in the next video, and have a great Thanksgiving. If this has been posted after Thanksgiving, I'm just gonna go ahead and hit you with a happy holidays. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And please remember to follow me on Instagram. See my curls, 2 Z's at the end. And stay blessed. Bye. Please finished. Thank you, Jesus.